Hi there! There's something new in SendFox that I know you will love, so keep watching. We always listen when you ask. In this video, I will show you the newest updates in SendFox. Number 1. Save an email as a template. In the past, for an email to act as a template, you will have to clone an existing newsletter. We have made that a lot easier. You can now save an email as a template. Here's how. Log into your SendFox account. Go to Emails. Create an email. Toggle the Schedule Send button and select Save Template. Give the template a name. Click Save Template. Moving forward, when you compose a new email, you need not create one from scratch. Just click on Templates at the bottom of the new email. You will then be taken to all the templates you have saved so far. Click Use this template to apply the template to the email you are creating. You can also delete templates that you no longer like. Number 2. The HTML tool is now here. Many of you have been asking how to customize the color of your font to match your website's theme, or automatically add an image via HTML, or even adding a horizontal line. This is our answer. This tool requires a bit of knowledge in HTML. Please know that this feature only lets you add a few commonly used HTML tags. It still has limited functions. If the HTML tag does not work, it's currently not supported, like href or font size styles and others. For a fully functional HTML email, you can still create one from scratch using Code Your Own, a feature unlocked when you subscribe to our Empire add-on monthly subscription plan. Number 3. Custom contact fields can now be added. In the past, only a contact's email address, first name, or last name can be captured by SendFox. That's now been changed. You can now add custom contact fields and start collecting them via your forms or your Smart Page forms. Let me show you how. Go to your Contacts page. Toggle the button and select Contact Fields. Click Create Contact Field. Enter the label of your contact field. Under Type, select if the field is a text field, a number field, or a date field. Click Save. Please know that once a contact field has been added, it cannot be deleted. However, fields can be enabled or disabled. Number 4. Metapixels. Track the page views of your Smart Page using metapixels. And we've also made it easier because you need not add a pixel code into the Smart Page. You just need your Metapixel ID. Your Metapixel ID can be found inside your Meta Business account settings. I have included a link in the description box below to help you set up a Metapixel ID. Enter your 15-digit Metapixel ID into your Smart Page settings. Here's how. Click on Smart Pages. Toggle the button next to the Smart Page you wish to edit and select Edit. Under step number 3, paste your Metapixel ID. Number 5. Add and remove a contact from a list. This is a small addition but will have a huge impact to the automation sequence sub-triggers. You can now add and remove a contact from a list based on either of these 3 conditions. One perfect application of this is if a link in the email has been clicked, you can opt the contact to be added to a new list and be removed from the original list. Here's how you can set this up. Notice that you will need to set up the Add to List and the Remove from List sub-triggers. Be sure to save the changes in your automation. You want to get the chance to showcase your Smart Page? Introducing Smart Pages Gallery. That's number 6. Click on Smart Page Gallery to view Smart Pages. This is very useful if you're looking for some inspiration or maybe you just want to opt into a mailing list of a certain niche. You can filter the Smart Pages according to categories by clicking this button. To allow your Smart Page to be added to the gallery page, follow me. Click on Smart Pages. Toggle the button next to the Smart Page you want to set up. On the Content page, scroll down to the bottom and under Step 4, tick the checkbox that will allow SendFox to add your Smart Page to the gallery. Be sure to enter the appropriate category. Save the changes. And that's it for now. If you have some questions about these updates or even want to request a feature you'd love to see in SendFox, write our support team at originals@appsumo.com. You can also ping us on social media. Links are on the description box below. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you at the next one.